Hi everyone. So today we are going to see how we can share document using Google Drive. So first of all, you need to be logged in using your Gmail ID. So this is the Gmail ID that you can see. Let me just increase the zoom little bit. Yeah. Okay. Now you will see an icon over here. Okay. Towards the right top corner, which is called as Google Apps. Okay. So we click on that, do just a single click and see that there will be an option like Google Drive. So Google Drive is like any folder, any drive in your laptop or desktop, just that it is being using the Google storage, or it is getting stored in the internet. Okay, so first of all, let's create a new folder. So you can see a button which says new. Click on this and you'll get several options. So let's create a specific folder for this purpose. Okay, so now let me give a name. So let me give a name like Intermediate Exam 2020. Okay, so it is created once I hit the create button, and you can see the folder over here. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to put some file in this. Okay, so I can again go and click on new once I'm inside this folder, right? So once I'm in this intermediate exam folder, I will do a new and I will do a file upload, and it will allow me browse just like we can browse in our local laptop or desktop. So let me go to the proper file. Okay, so I want to store a PDF file, so I'm just going to that particular folder, and let's say this is my question. Okay, so I put it over here, so it will show that what is the status, and you see that it is uploaded. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now let's say that we want to share some Google form link. So I will suggest that let's create a Word document for that. So this is a Word document I have kept open, and let's say I want to put the link of this form, right? So for that form, what I need to do is I can go and click on this send. Okay, and it will give me the link over here. Okay, so once I click on this, use the shorten URL, so this is better. So this is your link, just copy this and let's put this over here. Okay, so this is my Google Forms link, and let's save as a local file in some folder that I wish to put. So let me put in the same folder, and let me give it a name like 24th exam Google form link. All right, so I save it. So this is stored in my local drive. Now again I need to upload in my Google Drive folder. Okay, so let me go to that. So it is already open in this tab, and I can go here again to a new file upload, and whatever we created, this 24th exam Google form link, so this is what I am going to upload now. So both these files are uploaded. You see this tick button will come. So let us close this. Now what I want to do is I want to actually share this. So go to this place and you'll get an option like share. Okay, and here what you do is that you can add people and groups. So if you want to do it for specific people, otherwise you can also do is you can do a get link. Okay, so anyone gets the link, they can go there and access this folder. Okay, so what you can do is you can do a change to anyone with the link. Okay, so this is the link and they will have a viewer access. Okay, do a copy link. So this is what you can share. This is what you can share with whoever people you want to share it with. Okay, now let's check it out. So here we have logged in. So let me open a new incognito window. New incognito window means that it will not remember that I have used something over here, or it is using my Gmail ID. So nothing like that. And let me paste the link. Okay, So now if I, click on this, right? So you see that I have not signed in, but I can see the links over here. So this link, if you just share with the people, and every day when it is required, you upload the file maybe 15 minutes earlier or 30 minutes earlier. With this single link, they can every day access your files. So I hope you could follow that how this can be used. So let me summarize once more. So you log in using your Gmail account, right? You log in using your Gmail account. You go to drives from Google Apps, right? So this is how actually it looks like. Create a folder, okay, and then upload the files that you want to share, and then you change the folder sharing option from here, right? We went from here and we went to share. This is the most important part. And then when you get the link for sharing, okay, just share that with the people you want to share. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you could understand how this could be shared using using your Google Drive.